we're very sensitive to the emotional stress that athletes have to endure.
I'm open!
Hi, this is Dr. Thomas and I'm here to talk about your runner on your track team. I have been working with him since his asthma problems, and I would just like to inform you about the treatment and about what is happening and what you can do to help your athlete. So first of all, I'll try to explain to you what is homeostasis and what is happening with your athlete's homeostasis. Homeostasis is the process of the body to regulate and keeps it normal and functioning correctly. The homeostasis acts with negative and positive feedback to regulate the functions of your body to it always being normal, not too high and not too low. The negative feedbacks usually make the opposite. If something is too low and the applies the negative feedback, it will start to go too high. And if it's going high but it's too low, if you apply the positive feedback, it will keep going high and even faster. Thanks to some inflammations on the airways, your athlete is having problems with the respiratory system, and the respiratory system can't do the homeostasis for the oxygen to regular in the whole body. If you have asthma, less oxygen is entering the cell and this messes up with the balance, therefore messing up with homeostasis. So I'm giving you some instructions that you can apply to your athlete. That way we can make him back to the track team again and even competing with other kids. We can't overload the body of your athlete, so always before running we need to have a warm. It's really important that the body gets used to the exercise before it starts exercise. And when the exercise is finished, you should cool down the body of your athlete, making some scratchings and slowing the run so the body can get used to the rest as it got used to the exercise. The airways of your athlete are inflamed, so let's try to avoid cold weather. If it's cold, cover his mouth and nose to warm the air. 15 minutes before exercising, your athlete should take a bronchodilator. The effects of the inhaler can last for up to 4 or 6 hours. And if your athlete is suffering from the asthma symptoms, you can also use the inhaler to relieve those symptoms and relieve the pain. And make sure your athlete is always resting the enough time, drinking enough water and eating healthy food, because it always helps whatever problem you have.